You ever hear the phrase too poor to trust, but too black to ignore? That was the mortgage industry's entire business model in the 2000s. They didn't just prey on black and brown communities, they targeted them. They called them ghetto loans, and they laughed all the way to the bank. Let's talk about it. The 2008 housing crash wasn't just caused by bad luck or Wall Street greed. It was caused by calculated, racist targeting. Lenders like Wells Fargo and Countrywide called it reverse redlining. Instead of denying black people loans, they would just hand out the worst loans imaginable. Black neighborhoods were flooded with subprime mortgages, loans with exploding interest rates, hidden fees, and all the terms designed to fail. People who actually qualified for better loans were still pushed into subprime just for being black or Latino, and they bragged about it. Wells Fargo employees literally called them mud people loans. They held ghetto loan parties, all to celebrate how many they sold in black neighborhoods. These weren't just bad loans, they were weapons of mass eviction. Once enough people defaulted, boom, foreclosures skyrocketed, neighborhoods collapsed, and generational wealth was erased. Black home ownership plummeted, whole communities were gutted, and Wall Street, they bet on that collapse and they made billions. Meanwhile, the families who lost everything got zero. No bailout, no reparations, no justice. Black families lost half their wealth from 2007 to 2013. Latino families weren't far behind. And this is the catch, right? This is the kicker. The very banks that destroyed their communities got bailed out with tax dollars and then went right back to business as usual. So when people say the crash hit everyone, that's a lie. It hit black and brown people first, longest, hardest, because this system didn't fail us by accident. It was built to. They didn't just gamble with our futures, they bet against them. They saw black families trying to build wealth, and they burned it all down for profit. Ghetto Loans wasn't just a slur, it was a business model. A rigged racist playbook that left millions homeless, while CEOs got richer, whiter, and more powerful. So if you really want to understand the 2008 crash, start in the ghettos they targeted, because that's where the fire was lit, and nobody came with water.